I'm Jordan, co-founder of Intelligo, and this is the Access Tags feature. On Intelligo, you can assign access tags. This is really great if you want to limit certain areas of the platform to certain classes of user. So for example, if I had a VIP session, what I could do is assign the VIP tag to a certain session and then assign that tag to a certain number of users who would then be the only users that were permitted to access that session. Let's do that now. On the left-hand side, I can navigate to the Access Tags option. In here, I can add the VIP access tag, and then by clicking Edit, I can choose which areas of the platform I want to assign that tag limitation to. I can choose from rooms, sessions, breakouts, and breakout buckets. I activate the access tag by simply clicking the blue tick next to the session or breakout bucket I want to tag. Then, to apply it to users, just go to the users area, select the users that you want to apply the tag to, click on the Actions drop-down, and click Assign Access Tags. You can then drop down the list of available access tags or search by typing. I will assign this tag now, and you'll see it's come up next to those users which it's been assigned to. Those users are now the only users that will be allowed access to the VIP session. That's the Access Tags feature.